welcome to the Miata journey. I am Kevin, and today we are going to be installing the CarbonMiata version 3 taillights. The last video did a little unboxing. I got my bumper back on and all the mud skirts and everything, so we are good to go for install. So we'll keep this same package for right now, but we will go and start on the installation. All right, so for taking off the rear tail light, you just have to undo on the, at least for my car, you have a little bolt in there and kind of hidden here one more, and then you just have a screw up on top. So we're just going to undo that. So it's going to be a 10 mil. And once you have it loose, you can just undo it pretty quickly. Alright, just gonna set them down there so I don't lose it. And then just unscrew this up top here. Alright, and then this should just pop right off. Alright, and I've already undid some of this stuff, but before I forget, you do need to unplug right here. It's your factory harness. I'll definitely do that before you undo everything else. All right. And as I mentioned before, I have side marker lights, and I had just kind of stuck them into here. I'm going to be putting it over here next. I'm going to wire into here. That way it's not connected to the actual tail light in case I need to switch out later. So that'll be something I'll do. I probably won't put it on the video unless anyone else wants to see it. But that is the plan. So we have one undone. I'll set this over here. Same process, just peel back the plastic a little. And then we're going to feed wires in here. And as I mentioned before, I will be keeping the startup animation for now. And then we'll place the grommet in. Okay, give that a little pull, make sure it's in. Seems good. And then we'll line up everything else. Our bolt holes. Alright. Okay, that's lined up with our little screw hole here. Place that in. Down just a bit, and then put these nuts on, finger tight. All right, so got that. So now we can just plug in this into our factory plug there. Same thing on the other side. Like so. All right. And let me just turn this off here for a second. We should be good. And let's go ahead and shut this all the way, see what this looks like. All right, so we're just gonna peel these off. Both, and we'll show you what this looks like further away. All right, so this is what it looks like from back, a little further away. See that nice little smoked tint. That looks nice with the black side marker lights. I will be getting switching out the spoiler to a black spoiler as well. So that's what it looks like there. We're gonna now test to make sure all the lights are working. So be right back here. So we should have just our running lights here on. Hopefully get that startup animation. All right, here is the brake lights. And our left turn signal. And our right turn signal. And our hazards. So that should be hopefully working there. Just gonna turn them off. And let's so we can get that startup animation again. All right. Alright, so that should be all you need to do to install these CarbonMiata taillights. Once again, this is the NB taillights. This is the version 3. They have 3 other versions out there. I did like this one, the look of this one the best. So yeah, if you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe for more. I'll have some more things going on with this car. I'm going to do an updated sound bite for the exhaust now that I have headers on there as well. And if you want to see the wiring, let me know. I might just videotape it, but might not post it. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching the Miata journey. Take care.